I hear a sound, the sound of a mighty rushing wind. Ooh, a sound of a mighty rushing wind. I see a cloud about the size of the palm of my hand. I hear a sound of the abundance of rain, pouring, and the wind is blowing. The thunder is going, and I'm seeing itself. The great I never needed no help, but it's a few that I've trusted to play the cards that I've dealt. Many are called and